This time I'm thinking to take a little bit bigger number to find the prime factorization. Let me take any number, something like 20570. All right. So now let's try to find out the prime factorization of this 20570. We already learned to find out the prime factorization of the smaller digits. So we have two methods again. One is division method, another is a factor tree method, and I always suggest you to go with the division method because that takes a little space of your notebook. All right, and it's a little bit faster also. So let's try to find out the prime factorization of this 2057 by division method. And always first you need to check the prime factors of this from smaller to the bigger value. First you need to check whether this given number is divisible by 2 or not. If it is, then go by 2, not then try by 3. All right, and again check whether it's going to be divisible by 3 or not. If not, then try by 5, then try by 7, then try by 11, then try by 13, and try by all the prime numbers. All right, but try to write, if possible, smaller value. All right, try always by the smaller value. That is always appreciated. Okay, you can directly by these numbers also, but it is always better to choose the smaller value. All right, when like two numbers are divisible, like it is divisible by 2 also, and it is divisible by suppose 11, suppose 5 also. So that time which one you will choose? You can choose 2 also, you can choose 5 also. That's okay, but it is better suggested always 2. Okay, so now 2 times 10, that is 20, and 5 is divisible is not divisible by 2, so I need to divide lower value. That's 2 times 2, that's 4, and I will get remainder 1, and 1 and 7 17, and 17 will be divided by 2, I will get 8. 2 times 8 2 times 8, that's 16, and again I will get 1 remainder, so 1 0 10, and now it is 2 times 5 is 10. So now I need to see whether if it is prime number, I need to stop, and if it's not prime number, then I need to go further. It's a composite number, means I need to move further. All right, so again I will choose another number now. Now I will again see whether it is going to be divisible by 2 or not. It is. No, this time 2 is not dividing. Now I need to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. To check whether it is divisible by 3 or not, now see, I need to add these all numbers. 8 plus from back I'm going 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 5 16, and 16 is not the multiple of 3 and is not divisible by 3, so that's why I need to quit this 3 also. Now 5, yes, at last we have 5, so it means it's divisible by 5. All right, so 5 times 2, and 2 is not divisible by 5, so I need to put here 0, and now 28 together I need to take, so 5 times 5, that is 25, and 3 will be left here remainder, so 3 5 35, and that is 5 7 35. All right, now further I need to move. Now it's 7, it's not divisible by 3. 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 2 14, it's not divisible by 3 also, it's not divisible by 5 also, it's not divisible by 7 also, it might be divisible by 11. Let's check. Just add the odd place digit and even place digit. If the sum of the odd place difference sum of the even place is 0 or multiple of 11, then that time the number will be divisible by 11, otherwise not. So the sum of the odd places here is 0 plus 7, it's 7, and sum of the even places it is 7. So 7 minus 7 0, yes, it is divisible by 11. All right, so let's divide this by 11. 11 1s 11, and I'll left with 9, and 9 will be the remainder because 20 minus 11 will be 9, and now 9 5 95, so 11 8s are 88, and 95 minus 88, you'll get 7. All right, and this 7 will drop up, so it will be 77. So 11 7s are 77. All right, okay, now again this is not divisible by 2, this is not divisible by 3 also. 8 plus 7 40 15 16, and it's not divisible by 3 also, it's not divisible by 5 also, it's not divisible by 7 also, it's not divisible by 11. Yes, it's divisible by 11 because sum of the odd places is 8 and even place is 8, so difference is 0, it means it is divisible by 11. So 11 1s are 11, and our left remainder 7 7 7s are 77. All right, so now I got a prime number here. Right, this was composite number, this was also composite number, this was also composite number, composite number, composite number, composite number, prime number. I need to get a stop, it means over. All right, so our prime factorization of 2570 is equal with 2 times 5 times 11 times 11 times 17. All right, if you want, then you can write 2 times 5 times 11 square, or 11 to the power 2 times 17. So this is the prime factorization of 20570. All right, I hope you understand this. And there is a tree method also. If you want, then you can do by the tree method also, 257. But you know, this will take a very big place of yours copy. I mean, it will occupy more space of your notebook. So it is not always suggested. We do this but in our kids level, in our very basic level of learning prime factorization, but later we always prefer this division method. But let's do it. All right, so we have first number we need to check. You know, I said already, you need to check by the check from the smaller numbers. All right, and we get that that's 2. All right, so 2 is going to divide 20 in 10 times, and now 5 2 times, and 1 will be left, 16, so 8 times. All right, and then it will be 5 again. So this is a prime number or composite number? Yes, it's a composite number. It means we need to walk further. So it is divisible of 5, so 5 times 2, and then it will be 0, and it will be 8, it will be 25. So it is 5, and then you can see from here, but I'm thinking like I have not done this, I'm pretending like that. All right, because at initial stage you might be doing directly from this method, not from that. So it's 5, and then you'll get 3 remainder, 28 minus 25, so 35, it will be 7. All right, so now for the 2057, it's a composite number. It means we need to walk further here, and it's divisible by 11. All right, so and 11, now 11 ones are 11, and I will be left with 9 and 95. So 11 8s are 88, because 11 9s are 99 it is. All right, so below 99 we have 95, so 88, and we are remainder is 7 7 7 7 77, 11 7s are 77, and again 1 at 7, it's divisible by 11, so 11 ones are 11, and we are left with remainder 7, and it will be 77, so 11 7s are 77. So again what we get, yes, our prime factorization of 20570 is 2 times 5 times 11 times 11 times 17. All right, so 20570 can be expressed as 2 times 5 times 11 times 11 times 17. It's not 4, all right, it's 11. This is the prime factorization of 20570. I hope you understand it. If there is any difficulty while explaining this, then please feel free to comment below this video. And if you have any problem, any questions to give me to find out the prime factorization, then you can just comment below this video. Otherwise you can send me the message, that will be more better. All right, catch you in the next video. Goodbye.